To make your PowerPoint slides look more professional and visually appealing, it's essential to know how to carefully arrange all the elements within each slide. This video will guide you through the exact steps to do that using the Arrange function in PowerPoint 365. First, you need to select the objects or elements that you want to organize on your slide. After selecting them, go to the Format tab. Inside the Format tab, look for the Align section. Here, you will find tools to align objects to the top, bottom, left, or right, depending on how you want your layout to appear. These alignment options help make the layout more structured and easier to read. This method should be applied not just to one slide, but consistently across all slides in your presentation. Ensuring that each slide is adjusted in the same way helps maintain a clean and uniform visual style. Even on the final slide, it's important to make sure that all elements are well spaced and organized. Take time to measure the distances between lines of text and between different objects. This will make your content clearer and more visually balanced. For objects that overlap, especially when one image is covering another, you can change their order easily. Right-click on the image you want to move. Then, choose the option Bring to Front or Bring Forward, depending on how far you want to move it up in the layer order. This ensures that the most important images or text appear in front, while background elements stay behind. You can immediately see the result when the selected object is moved forward. This is how you organize all slide elements more precisely in PowerPoint. By taking the time to align and arrange your content properly, your presentations will look more polished and professional.